Every day, more than 100,000 aircraft move across the planet, and every country controls the airspace above its territory with precision. Airspace is the invisible volume of sky above a nation's land and waters. By international law, every country controls the airspace extending above its territory. To organize global air traffic, the sky is divided into Flight Information Regions, or FIRs. Each region is managed by a specific air traffic authority responsible for monitoring every aircraft inside its boundary. Primary radar works by transmitting powerful radio pulses that bounce off aircraft surfaces. The reflected signal reveals an aircraft's position and direction even if the aircraft sends no information back. Secondary radar works differently. Aircraft transponders respond to radar interrogation signals, transmitting identification, altitude, and flight number directly back to air traffic controllers. Modern aircraft constantly broadcast their GPS position using ADS-B. Satellites and ground receivers capture this signal, allowing precise tracking even in remote areas. Inside national control centers, trained controllers monitor aircraft movements continuously, maintaining safe separation between flights traveling across hundreds of kilometers of airspace. Airspace is divided into classes with different rules governing visibility, communication, and aircraft separation requirements depending on altitude and traffic density. Certain airspace areas are permanently restricted or prohibited, usually around military bases, government facilities, or sensitive infrastructure. Military air defense radars continuously monitor national borders, detecting any unidentified aircraft entering sovereign airspace. When an unidentified aircraft enters national airspace, interceptor fighters can launch within minutes, climbing rapidly to identify and escort the aircraft out of controlled territory. Airborne radar aircraft extend surveillance hundreds of kilometers beyond ground radars, detecting aircraft and coordinating fighters across large sections of airspace. As aircraft cross international boundaries, responsibility transfers seamlessly between air traffic control centers, ensuring continuous monitoring across national airspace. Over oceans where radar coverage is limited, satellites track aircraft by receiving position broadcasts transmitted directly from onboard navigation systems. Aircraft experiencing emergencies transmit special transponder codes, instantly alerting controllers and giving that flight priority handling and clear airspace around it. Controllers carefully manage aircraft spacing, ensuring safe separation between planes approaching busy airports where dozens of flights arrive every hour. Together, these systems create a global network that safely manages more than 100,000 flights every day. From ground radar to satellites and interceptor fighters, controlling the skies requires incredible coordination. If you enjoyed learning how countries manage their airspace, like, share, and subscribe for more deep science videos.